Today, we're diving into how to keep your safety gloves in prime condition with some essential cleaning techniques. Let's get started. First up, leather gloves. These are sturdy but need proper care to stay effective. Start by using a soft brush to remove dirt and debris. Next, for spot cleaning, use a damp cloth with mild soap to clean any stains. Remember, don't soak leather gloves as it can damage them. Finally, air dry your leather gloves at room temperature. Avoid direct heat sources to prevent the leather from becoming brittle. Rubber and latex gloves are commonly used in various settings. Rinse them thoroughly with water to remove any chemicals or contaminants. Wash with mild soap and warm water. Avoid harsh chemicals that can degrade the material. Disinfect by soaking in a dilute bleach solution 1 part bleach to 9 parts water for 5 to 10 minutes. Pat dry with a clean towel and air dry completely before storing. Next, we have cotton and fabric gloves. These are generally easy to clean. You can machine wash most fabric gloves. Use a gentle cycle with mild detergent. For delicate fabric gloves, hand wash them in warm water with mild soap. Air dry to avoid shrinkage and make sure they're completely dry before use. Finally, let's talk about nitrile and neoprene gloves. Rinse thoroughly with water. Use a mild detergent and warm water to gently scrub them. Sanitize with a disinfectant solution appropriate for these materials. Air dry completely. Don't wring out these gloves as it can cause damage. And there you have it. By following these cleaning techniques, you can extend the life of your safety gloves and ensure they maintain their protective properties. Contact us today for all your PPE needs.